Hey, the night pan, the night citizen will cast a light. Hey, the night pan, the night citizen will cast a light. This is all over there. Citizen will not decide on the law. Citizen will not decide on the law.
We just came from the governor house. The governor, the governor of Tripura. So today, as decided by the UNESCO, on the 31st of last month, today we are holding a protest against
CAP, that is Citizenship Amendment Bill 16 all over Northeast. Now, in the 7 states of the Northeast, we have 8 organizations, starting with us, KSF from Tripura, NSF from Nagaland, MZP from Mizoram, All Assam Student Union from Assam, All Arunachal Pradesh Student Union from Arunachal Pradesh, All Manipur Students Union from Manipur, Khasi Student Union and Garo Student Union from Meghalaya. Now, today, as we came to know that through the media, through electronic media, that the central government in both the houses of the parliament, they are likely to introduce this contentious citizenship amendment bill again in this session. So we are very much aware that the northeast, especially Tripura, we are surrounded by the Bangladesh on all three sides, which is an easy entry to the illegal migrants. So as we have already been overpopulated by the illegal immigrants, so we want the central government that if this contentious bill, citizenship amendment bill, is passed in India, so the indigenous people of the Northeast and Tripura will be a threat to the identity of the indigenous people. Now, we are already under saturated point, Tripura. So we want the government of India that don't make Northeast the dumping ground of the illegal immigrants. We want that, we want to live with dignity and identity. So we want also we also demand that India should give us special constitutional status to the Northeast student organization.
Citizen